So here is how you can fix the black lines within the KineMaster video editor on the iPad. So let me explain it all. If you're first time on Foxtecc, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos and tutorials like this one. So the black lines are either around the video, right, like from on the left and right, or they might be on the top and bottom. But the whole point is that you are working either with the incorrect aspect ratio or you don't have anything like zoomed in to fill the frame, because that is the only reason why the black bars are gonna appear. Well, essentially, the point is that whenever you are starting a new project within the KineMaster video editor, you are going to notice that you get to select the aspect ratio, and you have to pay attention to it, because if you, for example, capture a video which is going to be in the vertical orientation, like a portrait video, then if you start editing in the landscape format in the horizontal one, then you will naturally end up with the black lines around it, because we don't have any way to like fill up the frame, because we are working with like vertical video on a horizontal background, right? So it's like the aspect ratio selection is really crucial to end up without the black lines on the video editor. But still, even if you choose one type of aspect ratio, what you can also do is to select the clip in the timeline, and from the effects which appear within like the left window, or the one on the right actually, and you can basically find the thing which is called the pan and zoom, and you can just grab the clip and kind of like fill up the frame with it, so you don't have any like black bars or any like area which is uncovered without or that where you can see some black lines. You can basically make sure you fill it in, like zoom it in, so no black lines are actually going to be visible there. But that is essentially how it works. Let me know in the comments below if you managed to fix it. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I hope to see you later in the next videos as well.